Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated successor to Nikon's powerful Z8 camera, the Nikon Z8 II. This video will explore the major improvements and upgrades we can expect from this model, focusing on how Nikon might address the limitations of the Z8. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what Nikon enthusiasts, professional photographers, and content creators can look forward to in this game-changing mirrorless camera. Battery performance. A major focus. The Nikon Z8 is widely praised for its performance, but its battery life has been a common concern among professionals. Many users find themselves carrying multiple batteries to compensate for limited shooting time, which can be cumbersome during long sessions. The Z8 II is expected to revolutionize battery efficiency by introducing a larger, high-capacity battery or a more advanced power management system. Nikon will need to balance battery longevity with the camera's compact form factor, ensuring a seamless shooting experience without unnecessary bulk. Enhanced thermal management for prolonged use. One of the key challenges of the Z8 is its thermal performance. Extended use in demanding environments can lead to overheating, particularly during long-duration 4K and 8K video recording. The Nikon Z8 II might introduce improved heat dissipation technologies, such as a redesigned internal cooling system or enhanced external ventilation. These enhancements would enable longer recording times without interruptions, making the camera an ideal choice for professional filmmakers and hybrid shooters who require reliable performance in high-stress scenarios. Advanced autofocus and AI-driven subject tracking. Autofocus performance is already a strong point for the Nikon Z8, but there's always room for improvement. The Z8 II could feature AI-powered autofocus enhancements, refining eye detection and subject tracking accuracy. Nikon may introduce deep learning algorithms for better face recognition, improved animal and vehicle detection, and enhanced low-light autofocus capabilities. These refinements would be especially beneficial for sports, wildlife, and event photographers who need precise, fast-tracking focus in dynamic shooting conditions. More versatile RAW resolution options. A highly requested feature among professional photographers is the ability to shoot in reduced RAW resolutions. The Z8 II could bring back options like 20MP or 22MP RAW files, allowing photographers to optimize their workflow without sacrificing image quality. This feature would be particularly useful for wedding, sports, and documentary photographers who capture thousands of images per session, helping them manage storage efficiently while maintaining high-quality outputs. Boosted processing power and image quality. The Nikon Z8 II is expected to feature a next-generation image processor, improving overall speed and performance. Faster processing will not only enhance autofocus accuracy and burst shooting capabilities, but also improve low-light performance and color science. With more sophisticated noise reduction algorithms and dynamic range enhancements, the Z8 II could deliver cleaner images at high ISOs and richer, more natural color reproduction. Expanded video capabilities for hybrid shooters. As hybrid cameras become more prevalent, video performance remains a top priority. The Z8 II could introduce features like 6K video recording, higher bit rates, expanded color profiles, and real-time in-camera effects such as LUT previews and augmented reality overlays. One of the most exciting potential additions is redundant video recording, allowing users to save backup footage simultaneously. This feature would be invaluable for filmmakers and live streamers who need an extra layer of security during production. Additionally, improved audio recording options and enhanced live streaming capabilities could make the Z8 II a top choice for content creators. Lighter yet durable build. The Nikon Z8 is a well-built camera, but some photographers find its weight a drawback, especially during long shoots or travel. The Z8 II could incorporate a lightweight yet durable magnesium alloy or carbon fiber body to reduce weight while maintaining ruggedness. A lighter design would appeal to adventure photographers and travelers who prioritize portability without sacrificing professional-grade performance. Refined user experience and customization. Nikon could enhance the user experience by introducing more customization options, such as persistent release modes and expanded shooting bank settings. A more intuitive menu system, additional function buttons, and improved touch controls could make the Z8 II more user-friendly. Faster wireless connectivity, seamless cloud integration, and a refined mobile app experience could further enhance productivity, enabling photographers and videographers to edit and share content on the go. Perfect timing for market domination. The release timing of the Nikon Z8 II will be crucial in a competitive landscape where Canon and Sony continuously push boundaries. Nikon needs to strategically position the Z8 II with a well-balanced combination of features, pricing, and marketing. A strong pre-launch campaign with teasers, demo videos, and hands-on reviews could build excitement and anticipation among potential buyers, ensuring a successful market entry. Conclusion: the Nikon Z8 II is shaping up to be a revolutionary upgrade, addressing key user concerns while introducing cutting-edge features. From improved battery life and thermal management to enhanced autofocus and video capabilities, the Z8 II has the potential to set a new benchmark in the professional mirrorless camera market. Nikon's commitment to innovation and user feedback will determine the camera's success. By focusing on strategic refinements rather than dramatic overhauls, Nikon can deliver a powerhouse device that meets the evolving demands of photographers and filmmakers alike.